Hello everyone, welcome to the elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is Friday, July 21st. The time is around 2:15 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to be updating gold. This is a 30 minutes time frame. Now we can see right here we finished with 3 with 4 and then with 5 ended here. That ended with 1 in the larger degree. So it is an impulse to the upside. And now we are looking for an ABC pullback in the form of a zigzag to finish with 2 before it goes higher again. Now, the idea of this structure here is not suggesting this is a bearish market, even though yes, we can see another leg down. But because of the structure here, you know that the trend is bullish, right? Because it's an impulsive rally to the upside. And as you know, count and structure can always change, but the most important thing is to understand what's the main sort of trend in the instrument, right? So for now, yes, we can see another leg down while it stays below 1987. If it breaks above 1987, then we can always change the count and calling extension higher and so on within a bullish market. So the trend is the key here. Now here, what it is saying is simple. If you can get another leg down, then that actually is going to present you another buying opportunity because the trend is bullish. And then it will find support whenever it reaches the 100% extension C equal A, provided that it can really go down. Now if I zoom out a little bit here in the 4-hour time frame, now this is where we are. So we finished with 5 of 1 here. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, this is your 3 and the 4, which is the same as the 3 and 4 here. So this is your 1 and 2 then, and you're looking for a 5-week rally starting from June 30th this year, which is a pretty significant low there, because since then you see a 5-week rally. So because of the 5 waves, again the trend has shifted to the bull side, and again any there is pullback, therefore can find support and extends higher again. Now of course, as always, the correction can become like a 7 swing, for example, which is a double correction. But even so, if it is in the form of WXY, it's still, as long as we stay above the beginning of that 5 waves, we should be looking for extension higher. But for now, we are looking for a simple ABC, not double, but just a single correction. Then from there, we can either go to new high from here, or at least bounce in 3 waves, at least after finishing a 3-ways pullback. Okay, so again, not necessarily bearish, and there is a more bullish count. For example, if it continues to extend higher, you can have like a triple nest in which everything is a 1 2 1 2 1 2 like this, a 1 2, another 1 2, and another 1 2, and continues to go higher, right? And this is definitely the more conservative view in the market, that we ended the 5-week rally and need a correction first, right, in 3 waves before the rally resumes. But the 5 waves structure from the lows favor a bullish interpretation of the market. All right, so as always, if you want to get more updates in gold, silver, or any other commodities, Forex, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.